Imagine this, you wake up, turn on the news, a planet is heading for Earth, not just any planet. A rogue planet hurtling through the vast emptiness of space is on a collision course with our world. It sounds like science fiction, right? But the universe is full of surprises. Out there beyond the familiar dance of our solar system, rogue planets drift through the cosmos. These are celestial nomads ejected from their star systems, destined to wander the interstellar void. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? The sheer scale of the cosmos, the immense forces at play, and our own vulnerability in the face of it all. But fear not, for now. The odds of such an event are astronomically small. Yet it serves as a stark reminder of the preciousness and fragility of our pale blue dot. Rogue planets, also known as interstellar planets, are fascinating objects. Imagine a planet like Jupiter but without a star to orbit. These planets are truly alone, wandering the vast emptiness of space. How do they form? It's a violent process. In the chaotic dance of young solar systems, gravitational interactions between planets can fling one or more of them out into interstellar space. These ejected planets become rogues. Once a planet goes rogue, it's a lonely journey. No sun to warm it, no familiar constellations in its sky. Just the faint glow of distant stars and the endless expanse of space. Detecting a rogue planet hurtling towards us is no easy feat. These celestial wanderers emit very little light, making them incredibly difficult to spot against the backdrop of the cosmos. Astronomers rely on a clever technique called gravitational microlensing. Imagine a rogue planet passing in front of a distant star. The rogue planet's gravity acts like a lens, bending and amplifying the star's light. By carefully monitoring the brightness of stars, astronomers can detect the telltale signs of a rogue planet passing by. It's a subtle effect, but it's our best bet for spotting these cosmic nomads before it's too late. The news spreads like wildfire. Rogue planet on collision course with Earth. Headlines scream the terrifying truth. Panic grips the globe. Imagine the chaos. Financial markets would crash, governments would crumble, people would riot in the streets, desperate for a solution, for salvation. Religious fervor would sweep the planet, with some embracing the end times and others praying for a miracle. It would be a time of unprecedented fear and uncertainty. Section 5. Days of Darkness, a World in Chaos. As the rogue planet draws nearer, its gravitational influence begins to wreak havoc on Earth. Tides surge, becoming monstrous tsunamis that inundate coastlines. Earthquakes rip across continents, reshaping the planet's very surface. The rogue planet looms large in the sky, a harbinger of doom. Its gravitational pull disrupts our atmosphere, triggering catastrophic storms and hurricanes. Days turn into weeks, weeks into months. The once familiar constellations are distorted as the rogue planet warps the fabric of space-time itself. The end is near. Section 6. The inevitable collision. The impact is unavoidable. The rogue planet slams into Earth with the force of 1 billion nuclear bombs. The energy released is unimaginable, instantly vaporizing vast swaths of the planet's surface. Oceans boil away into space. Mountains crumble and melt like wax. The very air we breathe ignites into a fiery inferno. It's a cataclysm of unimaginable proportions, an extinction-level event that reshapes our planet in the blink of an eye. Section 7. Aftermath, a world reforged. In the wake of the collision, Earth is unrecognizable. The once familiar continents are gone, replaced by a molten wasteland. The atmosphere is choked with debris, blocking out the sun and plunging the planet into perpetual darkness. Over eons, the molten surface cools and solidifies, but the Earth we once knew is gone forever. Life as we know it cannot exist in this new hostile environment. The impact has reset the evolutionary clock, leaving behind a blank slate for whatever might arise from the ashes. Section 8. Could we survive? The short answer is, sadly, no. The energy released in a planetary collision of this magnitude is simply too great for any known life to survive. Even the most resilient microorganisms would be obliterated. Some have theorized about underground bunkers or even escaping to space, but the reality is that such measures would be futile. The impact would be global, leaving no corner of our planet untouched. It's a sobering thought, but it highlights the importance of cherishing the life we have and protecting our fragile planet. Section 9. A fragile oasis. The hypothetical scenario of a rogue planet colliding with Earth may seem like the stuff of science fiction, but it serves as a stark reminder of our place in the cosmos. We live on a fragile oasis, a tiny blue planet in the vastness of space. It's our duty to protect this oasis, not just from hypothetical threats, but from the very real dangers we face here on Earth. Let us strive to be better stewards of our planet, to address climate change, preserve biodiversity, and ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at the wonders of our pale blue dot. Let the possibility, however remote, of cosmic catastrophe inspire us to cherish the time we have, and to protect the only home we've ever known.